My bitch in the back of the bank. Yeah. That can't cost a couple of stacks. We fucking no strings attached. Procrastinate, relax. We cover up.
Bada bang. What's up, guys? It's your boy Manny, and let me turn this down. We're back again with another banger video, you feel me? As y'all can see by the title and the thumbnail, we're heading to BMW today to do our first service, you feel me? First service day in the BMW game. I ain't gonna lie, gang. This ain't getting there 809. So I could chill, I could cruise. I don't gotta, you know, bug out. But I'm tired though. Like, it's 7:46. I went to my bed like after 2. But I got a busy day, so I gotta wake up early, knock out the shit I got to knock out, and then continue my day, basically. Today gonna be an expensive day, dog. Like, the morning just started. I already spent $873 from before I wake up. That shit just come straight out the account. I gotta spend the next 1,000 basically. Yeah, next 1,000 basically, and then yeah. So it's a crazy ass day, bro. It's a crazy ass day, but we get into it right now. We about to, well, not even about to, we just leaving. So I'm gonna probably pick up by the camera when I get to the service center, and then see what they talking about from there. You feel me? I hope you're having a good morning. I hope you're having a blessed morning. I open a pray this morning. Before they take up on the phone, I'm on anytime I need for prayer, I'm on in time, bro. Pray in the morning before you pick up your phone, bro. That's how you set the tone for the day, fam. But yeah, I'm gonna pick up by the camera later. Cha! Alright, so chat, we basically here, chat. We basically here. I just passed it. It's on that side right there. How much y'all think the bill gonna come up to? I'm thinking probably like $5. You know, $5. $5. They go tell me $5. They go do everything. You know, they go throw in some little extra perks, complimentary. You feel me? Yeah. Cause we blessed and highly favored. You feel me? I'm not gonna get no crazy bill. We blessed and highly favored. We gotta speak it into being. But yeah, here we are. I don't even know if that ramp was supposed to carry me to BMW or to Mercedes. So let's just follow the GPS. Alright, good. I'm at the right place anyway. Alright, gang. Alright. Let's see. Let's see what the fudge going on, gang. I gotta like gather my shit too, so I could do some work while I'm here. I gotta edit a video for y'all. But yeah, my finger stopped this from recording by accident. But I'm saying I'm gonna pick up by the camera when I figure out what's going on. So I'm gonna be with y'all in a second. Yeah. I kid you not, bro. They just text me a whole like $200, bro, for just an oil change. Hold on. For just an oil change, fam. A whole $200 just to get this shit oil changed. That's crazy, bro. I'm never coming back to no freaking BMW dealership, gang. This person got a G80 in front of me. This shit kind of clean. Pikachu on it. But yeah, I ain't never coming back to no freaking BMW dealership to do no service again, bro. This shit crazy. This shit crazy, fam. $200 for oil change, gang? I don't even want to hear no damn radio. I'm tight. I'm tight, gang. Never again. Screw that, bro. I already came for an inspection. I got that, well, not really like an inspection, but like a full check of the car. That's why I came. But I don't know if it's worth it, gang. But yeah. That's what's up. I'm about to head back to the crib right now. Cause I got a whole bunch of shit to do today. So I'm gonna pick up by the camera probably when I get to the crib or on the drive over. If shit get active or whatever. If I can get this damn shit in, bro. Bet. There's mad cops, bro. Mad cops. Let's see if gang go get beside again. I low-key want that. I want to see, though. I want to see, low-key. I want him to get beside. I want to see what that shit talking about, for real. He said it's a F20, I believe. F20. How it low-key getting dumb deep, though. He is back there. He holding on. he gone. So I'm gonna pick up at the camera when I get to the crib on some shit. So this is where my day is at right now. I'm at the Prudential Tower right now. And yeah, Red Sox game is going on. Stadium packed. And then you got that building right there. I'm trying to see how much for one of them units over there. I might just move in, you know? Get free shows. The sunset and this shit, oh, these beautiful, gang. If y'all know me, y'all know what's up. My love sunsets and sunrise. Fine, right there. When I say my love for sunsets and anything about like, I'm cherish anything about that shit tough. This shit a vibe, man. I could see my apartment over there. Yo, you could almost see, well, you could dead ass see these people's house, bro. Shit's crazy. Maybe you can see in the way clear, I know. I might just have to buy his clothes on this side. Alright, Chad, so this is where we at right now. We all in the city. We at a restaurant called Moxie. This is a Chipotle mango chicken. She got like a steak salad kind of vibe thingy-majiggy. I got Shirley Temple. She ordered a margarita. I don't even remember which one. And that's like some spicy tuna roll that she's gonna carry on the rest of it. But yeah, this is a vibe right now. It's currently like 10 o'clock. Loki wanted to leave at 10 o'clock. I already know what this food finna be busting. No cap. Last time I came in, this food was like, oh, what did you good, bro? But yeah. I'll pick up by the camera. Yo, chat. So I just realized I ain't really end off the other vlog, but the bill that they gave me, right? The bill was for $5,320 something to be exact, and that's for new tires, back brakes, and a freaking water pump, right? The water pump, they quote me 1,700 and something. The tires, 1,400 and something. And then the brakes, I think 1,200 and something. Or something like that. But I could put up the screenshot right now. And then like balance and alignment, they want to charge me $400 for that. But I ain't doing none of that shit with them, respectfully. So I'm gonna put up the screenshot of the bill right here in my face. Oh, no, oh, alright, pause, fire. But I'm gonna put up the screenshot and y'all can see it. The water pump, the part not that expensive, so I'm gonna just buy that and then let a shop that I know change it out. because the parts like 200 and something, and then the labor, because it is a lot of labor, is gonna be around 600. And the guy was saying it's not like the part needs to be changed, but it's making sounds and idle. So usually when it make like those sounds, then say the bearings in it going bad. So might as well change it out because I don't want any problems. And then the brakes, I'm gonna change that myself. I'm gonna just buy the parts because I got the tools and everything to do it. The tires, I want to buy new rims. The new rims coming soon. Thanks to Jay. Sponsored by Jay. So boom. Right, Jay?
Yes, sir.
Oh boy, yeah. So I'm waiting on the new rims before I buy the tires, because it doesn't make any sense to buy tires for these rims and then right as the new rims come, probably like a month later, I'm going to have to buy new tires to go on that, because it's not going to be the same size. So I'm low-key waiting for that. And yeah, that's the update. If y'all like this video, like, comment, share, subscribe, tell a friend and tell a friend. This is where the bangers is at, you see me? Big up your damn self. I'm out.
Bye, have a great time.